Welcome back to my channel. I renamed it Frugal with John. The reason why I named it Frugal is because I tend to be very careful with my money and how I spend it. Anyway, on to kind of a weird project, not something I would normally do. This would be an old lawnmower somebody's throwing out I picked up. I took it apart, cleaned the carburetor. I spent $0 on it. Cleaned the carburetor, cleaned the fuel tank, sharpened the blade, didn't even change the plug on it. I checked the plug, it was fine. And it runs. So, it's a little rusted. I cleaned up some of the rust around it and I repainted it. I really don't need it because if you look over there, one, two, three more lawnmowers. So I just picked it up as a kind of a hobby project. Anyway, we're going to bring it up. I have an old grass bag. I don't have any bags for any of these lawnmowers. And I have a bag from an Aries lawnmower. Well, it doesn't fit. And I like to have at least one lawnmower that I can put a bag on. So what we're going to try to do is put an Aries bag on this piece of lawnmower. I don't want to say garbage, but yeah, it's not the best lawnmower. Like I said, it's starting to rust out. It's a great engine, seems to be anyway. Okay, so we're going to get started. We're going to lift this high enough so I can get to work on it. I don't think the safety latches really mean much when you get this little weight. Okay, first of all, let's see if it fits. Get that out of my way, and let's see if I'm lined up here. No, not quite. Okay, so what we have to do is get this bag to fit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with this cable on here. So, and I almost guarantee it's not gonna fit right off the bat. There's no way. For one, I know an Aries is a flat back. This has a curve. There's nothing to hook onto. So we'll see if there's anything around my garage that I can actually get this to hook up. Yeah, there's no way. Okay. Don't mind me. I got a cord in my way. Okay. Let's see if I can find this to fit in here. Okay, that's too short. Try this. And it's too long, but I should be able to make it work. Yeah, I gotta get in there. Yeah, it's a bit too long, but I can actually bend that out of the way without doing too much to it. You see, that might not even have to do anything with that. I don't think it should get in my way. Maybe I'll grab some wire and make sure it doesn't pop up. bag from an Aries onto, I have no idea what this lawnmower is. If it's going to fit, it's going to be a pain to change the bag. I can see that now. No, it fits right in there, but it has to come this way. Okay, to there, to there. I see a gap right here. I'm going to get full of grass, but we're going to try it anyway. Seems to be solid. What's the worst that can happen? It just fall's coming, the leaves are coming down, and this year I got a lot of crabgrass. And right now I let my grass grow, and the seeds are all out of the crabgrass. I picked a lot of it up by hand, just took the seeds and put them in the garbage or recycle. Compost, if that's what you want to call it. But I can't get it all, so what I'm hoping to do is go over it with the bag and the lawnmower, and so next year I don't get full of crabgrass again. I'm going to put something down, but I want all the seeds in the bag. It's the main reason why I want to do this. And of course, in the fall when the leaves fall, I don't have too many leaves, but I want to catch the leaves in this also. I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to find out. Okay, so I'm going to get this out of here, get it outside, and see if it works. I'll let you know. Bye for now. Okay, it works. Not that great, because obviously it's the wrong bag, and it's a YardWorks lawnmower. I just noticed it written on the top. But it should do for what I need done right now is get rid of the crabgrass, and possibly we'll try it on the leaves when the weather gets colder. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the lawn, and I'll let you take a peek at how it runs. Okay, you can shut it off for now. It's stuff like this. These are the crabgrass seeds. And I got a lot over here, and I got some over there, and some on the side. I picked a lot by hand and put them in my pile over there. Definitely not going back in the yard. But if I cut these without a bag, or I don't pick them out by hand, next year I'm going to get more crabgrass. Following year, more after that. I'm going to try to find something to stop them from growing. But so far, no luck. First year I had really bad on it. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.